All right, we have Solid Power. Solid Power is doing well, people. And I do not have shares for Solid Power, but I think these guys might be the ones I want to try to get into. And here they are under 3. Man, oh man. I used to be in Solid Power from the longest time ago, last year. I sold it on a gain, but not like this. But now I still have the 4 calls. I don't know, by November 21st. That'd be stupid to wait till they went over $5 to buy. If I'm going to buy, I'm going to wait. But I'm going to hold these because now they're up over 900%. And I like that. And the due date on these, expiration is November 21st. And at $5, it is certainly looking like Solid Power is going to hit the $5 mark by November. We're sitting here on August 13th. So, and they got a new buy rating. And they had good earnings. Revenue beats expectations, EPS in line. I think that is exciting for sure. All right, so we're going to have Solid Power is doing well. Today we have Rocket Lab down. So somebody is asking me what to get. I might get into Rocket Lab today if they were down. I told them ONS. I think ONS people, damn it, ONS is down below what I had put in for. I should have waited till the end of the day to get the shares in this other account I'm doing. But NB is doing excellent. And these ONS calls, I'm not worried about them. I think they're going to be nice. HL, that's going to be a mining one. And also, speaking of mining stocks here, I wanted to say something about UAMI because that's going to be our antimony guy here. PPTA is another antimony one. But they were on the news. That's exciting. This one is they were on Bloomberg today. And that was at 220. So whatever they said really pleased people. Because this is going to be, this is when they took to the TV. So that shows that that they certainly have a presence. Chairman Gary Evans, good job today, Gary, because they were talking about their earnings from yesterday. Revenue is up 160% year over year. Gross profit 183 year over year. I'm telling you, people, if mining is what our government currently wants to do a lot of, I think that UAMI is super, super poised. So that is a revenue-making company. Net income, $728 compared to loss. Antimony sales up $15 million for the first 6 months because Trumperton is also going to tell all these companies they have to start getting from domestic manufacturers. So UAMI, I think we like that one. Well, I know we like it, but I was thinking about, we'll see if they go up a little more because what is my gain? I do have a 48% gain on UAMI. I think they go more. I think that the mining shit is not done because we also have my love NB people. Anyway, NB, I was thinking about selling a bit of NB because they are that 490 there. It might be wise selling a bit of NB. Yeah. I guess we'll see. Also, all right, another one that I'm really liking. And I was going to say, because I have this Prime call, and Prime is going to be our gene therapy one, right? And that call is down. It's for January 16th, a $5 strike, right? But I'm looking at what Gibio had good earnings yesterday, trading higher, and after announcing successful delivery of cRNA to C cells in non-human primates, showcasing potential in autoimmune disease treatment. I think Gibio is a nice player, and they're rising back up. I might sell a little bit of the Gibio though, but because 62% gain is pretty much wild. Yeah, definitely. Probably should sell a little bit. Let me see this one too. So Gibio and then Prime, which that's the one I have the call for. Prime was down earlier. I'm so mad, and I knew they were down from. They didn't have the best earnings. Damn, Prime at 330 yesterday. That would have been a nice buy there. I didn't get it when I wanted to, but I do have. I want to build my staking Prime. Prime could prove definitely a nice swing. You know what? Honestly, Prime here, that isn't even that too bad. Because I definitely think they have some potential. I think they go back on an upswing. We'll see. Volatile, pre-revenue biotechs. And clearly my hematite. Now, comp, wait a minute. Comp, this one might not do us. Comp is due on Friday. People, this freaking call thing. I'm not an expert on calls, people. I'm not gonna act like I am. I am an addictive gambler when it comes to call strategies. But can they get up to 9? Maybe. They're gonna have here 1 day ago. Wait a minute. They have registering booming business amid quarterly results. Record quarterly results. So this was yesterday. It looks as though one of the best low price stocks to buy right now. Look at that. I do have shares of this. I am up. So revenue quarter up 21% year over year, 2.06 billion, beating estimates. GDP income surged 90% year over year to a record 39 million as adjusted EBITDA increased 63%. However, adjusted earnings per share came to 0.7, slightly below an ALS of 0.08. And then Comp reinforced its status as one of the largest real estate brokers in the country. Comp, Blend, and Open, people. Those are my gainer picks. I'm hoping they prove profitable. I should see about putting it in that other account. That's the thing I think. So anyways, Comp, man oh man, people, if Comp keeps rising, that won't be a loss. $15 each for those, whatever. BBI, that one's for September 19th. For the love of God, BBI, do something. My Humasite, I fucked that up. Horrible. Humasite is my biggest bias, people. I'm just going to tell you. I'm in love with this stock. I think bioengineered veins are the future. But unfortunately, the world has not caught on yet. But what can you do? Stupid fucking SoFi buy. This is from I bought this in December. So at $103. Clearly that's why it's so goddamn overpriced. And Iova's making some moves today, people. What do we have Iova doing? Up 11%. So this one is the skin cancer treatment, Amtigavi. And I think Iova, it's a complicated, perfect example for MBOT too. How biotechs go down after approval when people want to see these sales. That's Humasite's issue here. People want to see the sales. But Iova, I think they could someday get back to what people thought they were going to be. I really do. And hopefully, I definitely averaged down on this Iova. But I'm confident if they're at 249, what are they at? I think they could get to hit 3 by September. But was that a riskier one? Yes. I don't think biotech calls are very good, people, if I'm being honest. And you have my Gerard call, TMC. What do we have TMC doing, people? What are they at? I said they're going to be at 7. I think that's possible. Because Gerard, he certainly has the swings. And he swung somewhat today. And there's Gerard's high. So I think TMC, they can get there again, people. I do indeed. And he is making lots of moves in government ways. We have some hedge buyers, XTX Telco. This was their call to discuss. Basically, they're just waiting on these approvals. And